Welcome back to my channel. So today I've decided that it's rainy. I kind of feel like baking, warming up the house and making it smell cozy. So I'm gonna show you how I make my cinnamon sugar pumpkin muffins. It's actually a recipe I found on Pinterest and I will link it down below. Keep in mind as I'm making it, I am cutting it in half because 24 muffins is kind of much for a single person. So I'm gonna get started on baking and I'll show you the ingredients as I go along. And before you get started, they always tell you to set up the muffin pan. Obviously you can use muffin liners if you want. I like to use parchment paper. Cut it into like little squares. They're just a bit more rustic and I like it for the fall, having the paper around the muffin. So I'm gonna start with that and we'll get cutting on those and then get into the actual baking. So last step obviously is to clean up and get some coffee while you're waiting for it to come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some dishes, and then I'll show you the muffins when they come out. That's how you make the cinnamon sugar pumpkin muffins. I make these like every year at least once. I just really enjoy them. They taste good. They're subtle. They're not crazy sweet. So I can enjoy it as a dessert if I want to. Sometimes I have them for breakfast, and sometimes they're just a snack in the afternoon when I want them. But they go really good with like coffee, hot chocolate, cider. But I hope you enjoyed getting to watch how to make these delicious muffins. And until next time, I hope everyone has a blessed day.